Hey guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of privacy on TikTok app. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of privacy on TikTok app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we'll enter to the window or to the app of TikTok, and you can click here on this page. After that, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.